Safety data sheets are critical to workplace safety, yet organizations make 5 costly mistakes while handling them. Let's explore these errors. Error 1. Inaccessible. SDS. Workers need SDS access within 1 to 2 minutes. Error 2. Outdated SDS. Chemical formulations change regularly, so you will need to update your entire SDS library. Error 3. Missing secondary labels. Every transferred chemical requires GHS compliant labels with hazard pictograms and QR codes linking to full SDS. Error 4. Inadequate training. SDS access alone isn't enough. Every institution should provide job-specific training. Error 5. Unmanaged inventory. Chemical inventory must sync with SDS records. Cloud SDS not only ensures smooth accessibility, but also provides an uncomplicated interface for updating your previous SDSs, generating labels, tracking inventory, and integrating training. With us, you can transform your workplace safety into a streamlined, compliant process. Join us and keep your team safe and compliant and eliminate SDS errors today.